here. My name is Beauty and I am from Parsa Tiwari. About my qualification, currently I am a student of senior class from St. Shrine Public School. Today, on the occasion of Science Exhibition, we are here to ignite our day with positivity. And so this is my project, a model of central nervous system. The central nervous system is made up of brain and spinal cord. The brain controls how we think, learn, move and feel. And the spinal cord carry messages back and forth between the brain and the nerves that run throughout the body. Both the brain and spinal cord are protected by bone, the brain by the bone of skull and the spinal cord by vertebra, a set of bringing safe home. They are both chosen by a layer of membrane and cerebrospinal fluid. The fluid flows through a hollow space in the brain called ventricles and around the spine in the spinal column. It also protects the central nervous system, nourishes it and take away waste product. The brain is like a central computer that controls all the body functions. It is in the charge of what we think and feel, how we learn and remember, and the way we move and talk. It also controls things that we are less aware of, like beating of our heart and digestion of our food. The brain controls messages back and forth with the body, and these messages travel through the spinal cord. Parts of the brain. The brain is very complex and very compact. An adult brain weight is about 3 pounds. It is stored in manifold and groups that store important information. The main part of the brain are the cerebrum, brainstem, and cerebellum. The cerebrum. The cerebrum is the main thinking part of the brain. It is the biggest part of the brain. A large part of the cerebrum is the cerebral cortex. It is also known as grey matter. A cerebral has the cortex has 4 areas called lobes that work together to create a person's personality and everything they know. Each lobe processes different kind of information. The frontal lobe. The frontal lobe involves in complex thinking like planning, imagining, making decisions, and reasoning. It is located behind the forehead. The parietal lobe. The parietal lobe processes information about touch, taste, and feel. Yes, sir. Temperature.
So temperature, touch,
And taste.
and taste.
It is behind the frontal lobe, the temporal lobe. The temporal lobe let us understand sound and language, recognize face and objects, and create memories.
It helps in hearing. Alright. Occipital.
The occipital lobe processes information about light and other visual information from the eye,
It helps in vision. Different images.
letting us know we are seeing. Sir, it is found in rear part of the brain. The brain stem. The brain stem connects the brain and spinal cord. It is made up of pons, medulla, and midbrain. These parts work together to carry messages. These parts work together to control and coordinate the messages going in and out of the brain. The brain stem also controls things that we often think about, like vomiting, swelling, digestion, etc. The cerebellum. Behind the cerebrum is the cerebellum. The cerebellum is also called little brain because it looks like a small version of cerebrum. It controls the equilibrium and posture. It also controls voluntary movements, and cerebellum controls rapid muscular activities like running, talking, and walking. Spinal cord. The spinal cord is a long bundle of nerve tissue. An adult, it is about 18 inch long and half inch thick. It extends from the lower part of the brainstem down the back. The spinal cord has 3 sections. The cervical spinal cord, the thoracic thyroxic spinal cord and the lumbar sacral spinal cord. E- The, the cervical spinal cord. The cervical spinal cord sends nerves to the face and neck. The thyroxic spinal cord sends nerves to the arms, chest, and abdomen. And the lumbar sacral spinal cord sends nerves to the lower part of the body. A bunch of nerves called equima because it looks like a hostel at the bottom of the spinal cord. And sir, it is ischiumum and it is a triangular bone at the base of the spine, and it is coccyx and it is final segment of the spine. And at last, I want to say something about my project. In the preparation of this project, I have precisely demarcated all the important points. I have made my best possible efforts to remove all the error. It is a great pleasure for me to thank all those valuable suggestions that have given to me by my director, sir. I must thank all the All Might for this inspiration, guidance, as well as my parents, teacher, who directed me to complete this project. Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak with you.
Thank you.